How to find code in Google Classroom. So hi there guys. First things first, you just need to open your browser and go to classroom.google.com, and once you're in this section, you will actually see the class that you have created. So basically, I am in my teacher's page right now, and I have created one class right here. As you can see, I have the beginners class, so we just need to click on it, and then afterwards you can actually click on the information button here. Okay. Not the customized button, but instead the information button here below. Okay. And there, when you click on the information button, you will actually see the class code right here. If you want to make it bigger, then click on the frame button and basically you can copy the link. However, if you are in your students Google Classroom, you cannot actually see the code. Uh, you need to request it from your teacher in order for you to be able to get a head of the class. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.